All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to locate your local game files and where they are installed on your computer. This is especially helpful if you have a couple different spots where you set Steam up to save files to and you're not really sure where it is. You can just find the game in your Steam library, right-click it, and then go to Properties. From here, you can click on the Local Files tab on the left side, and there is a button here to browse your local game files. Here you can see all of my files related to War Thunder, and if I wanted to manually change settings, if their settings file is kept in this folder, I'll be able to edit it from here. Likewise, there's a couple other local file options here. You can verify the integrity of your game files. This is useful if the game itself is having weird hiccups, bugs, or errors. This will tell you if something's corrupted or broken in your files. And you can also click here to back your game files up in the event that you want to move them or you're just afraid that something might corrupt your saves. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how to browse your local files for certain games on Steam. Updated for 2023. I've been your host, Larry. If you got any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section below, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.